Payment preference, lots of options for you. I can do PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, direct deposit. I can even mail you a check if you like. The choice is yours. You'll make your initial selection when you're requesting your free appraisal kit. Then after I've given you your appraisal total and you've accepted the offer, that's when you tell me the specifics of how you want to be paid. So for instance, if you had selected PayPal, I need to know what email address you use with your PayPal. Or if you selected Cash App, I need to know what your Cash App ID is. I never send payment until I know that you have accepted the offer. So I don't need to know your bank account. I don't need to know any of your info until I know you've accepted the offer. And then that's when you get paid. So remember, take advantage of these record gold prices. Instead of dusty jewelry in a drawer, have cash in the bank.